Right, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be showing you how to prune your petunias, how to get more flowers from each of your hanging baskets. These were all plug plants from Thompson & Morgan this year, instead of growing from seed. As you can see, looking really nice and full. We're going to be pruning some of these spent flowers, pruning back, and we're going to be shaping them so we're going to get more flowers from each plant, so keep the baskets looking full and nice. This is probably my favourite two at the moment. Just love the camera. This looks exactly how it looks on the film. It looks amazing, and the scent of these is absolutely divine. So yeah, any spent flowers will be pinching out, cutting back. So all you need for this is a sharp pair of scissors. The sharper the better. Then all you need to do is just go around and then find each one that's spent, like so. Sorry if I'm a bit shaky. See here, this is one that's gone over. Just nip this one out, just try and show you. This one's gone over, and then it started just to form a little seed pod. At the end of the year, if you want to collect seeds, you can leave these to go over before the first frost, so you can actually collect your own petunia seeds. So yeah, you want to be doing this once or twice a week. It is a bit time consuming, a bit tedious, but it's well worth it, because the more you deadhead and prune, the bigger and better your plants are going to be. I feed them 3 times a week at the moment. If you make a mistake and you cut something off that shouldn't be, don't worry about it. It's not the end of the world. This time of year they grow back really quickly. So get that one there. That's a nice seed pod. So I should carry on with these. You can see here, this one is spent, that one's gone over. It's starting to droop, so just get in there, prune it back. So yeah, I'll carry on with this and I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Okay, be back in a short while, before and after. Right, that's that done. As you can see, all these need sweeping up. They're all the spent flowers. And then all I like to do then is anything that's growing underneath like this, just give it a prune back like so, because then that is prone to get powdery mildew. So that is round the back of that petunia. I've done the front already. Right, so they'll thicken up nicely. I've also pruned this one. Once these cosmos are planted up today, and that one will be nice. I'll probably let it go down to 6 inches, and then I'll start trimming it back. If I trim the ends off, what happens is the side shoots produce more flowers and flower for longer. So yeah, that's how to prune back and get more flowers from petunias. If you have any questions about anything growing in my garden or greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like these videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.